Well, in this video, we are tackling exponential equation with addition, right? So first thing first, when you're given such equation, you need to split the exponent or you break the exponent. How do we break? Remember, when you have remember the law of exponent that says when the bases are the same, and we have multiplication, what do? We add the exponent. So this will be m plus n. So actually, they have used this part here. So you yourself, you have to reverse it to this type, right? So actually, we are using it in a reverse manner. So it's a reverse law that is working here. So that's how you're going to split your exponent. Now let's put that into practice. Okay, so we are going to split this exponent. This will be 3 to the power of x, already splitted. Then we need to break this using the law. This will be 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of negative 1, which is equals to 36. Then we can see that there's a highest common factor, which is 3 to the power of 6. So we need to factor out. You factor out. When you factor out here, we'll be left with 1. Why do we put 1? Because when you say 3 to the power of x multiplied by 1, it's 3 to the power of x. Plus, we can also put 1, or which you can just say 3 to the power of negative 1. 3 to the power of negative 1 is the same as 1 all over 3. So let me just write it well. Divided by 1 over 3, which is equals to 36. 36, right? Which is equals to 36. Okay, which is equals to 36. So that's the second step. So the third step, what do? Simplify the bracket. So we have 3 to the power of x there. So what is 1 plus 1 over 3? Let's use our calculator, or we can use our mental. So our LCD will be 3. So by using a cross method, we can have 4 over 3 here. Okay, which is equals to 36. Which is equals to 36. So that's how it should be. So from here, we will need to divide everything by 4 over 3. When we divide 4 over 3 at the left hand side, it will get rid of 4 over 3. What are we left with? We are left with 3 to the power of x. Then 36 divided by 4 over 3, that will give us 27, right? So let's continue further from there. From 3 to the power of x, which is equals to 27. Let's continue further from there. Okay, so we continue further. We have 3 to the power of x, which is equals to 27. So from here, you can change 27 to an exponential form. So 27 to an exponential form will be 3 to the power of 3. If you're using KGFX, just say 27 is equals to 27, shift fact, then automatically it will change to 3 to the power of 3. Remember, when the bases are the same, we drop the exponent, meaning that x now will become 3. X now will become 3. So that's our solution. Okay, so let's look at the second example, which will be our last example in this video. So consider you are given to the power of x plus 1 plus 2 to the power of x plus 2, which is equals to 24. So when you're given such, we use the same technique. What do? We break. This will be 2 to the power of 2x, as well as 2 to the power of 1 plus 2 to the power of 2x multiplied by 2 to the power of 2, which is equals to 24. So from here, we can see there's a highest common factor, which is 2 to the power of x. Then we will need to factor out. What are we left here? We are left with 2. What are we left here? 2 to the power of 2, that will be 4, which is equals to 24. Then what do? You need to work out the bracket, right? So what is 2 plus 4? That will be 6, which is equals to 24. So we will have to divide by we'll have to divide by 6, right? We'll have to divide everything by 6. So if we divide everything by 6, we will be left with 2 to the power of x. Then what about what is 24? What is 24 divided by 6? 24 divided by 6, that's 4. So we have 2 to the power of x, which is equals to 4 as our solution. So lastly, we are going to have 2 to the power of x, which is equals to 4. So from there, we need to change 4 into an exponential form. That will be 2 to the power of 2. Therefore, x is equals to 2. So that's how, guys, you can work out this type of exponential equation. Do not forget to subscribe and like the video and share.